Cambridge exam helped me to communicate with my colleagues.
I chose the Cambridge English exam because they're the most well-known.
The exam was my goal. It helped me to focus and to try harder.
I think Cambridge examination courses, they provide an incredible amount of motivation for students. They see immediate progress.
English was increasingly an important part of my life. I decided to move to the UK for improving my English level and developing my professional career. After research, I decided to take Cambridge English exams. It's lovely to see you again. To have Cambridge English exam, it certifies that you have reached a certain level of English. If you have an objective, if you have a goal, if you have an aim like preparing a Cambridge English exam, you can feel motivated for studying really hard.
For the employers, they will be guaranteed that students who have a Cambridge examination qualification will have both accuracy and fluency in all skills of English language.
As a photojournalist, I need to talk with people. You need to be really self-confident. The Cambridge English first exam gave me different skills. Living in a city as London, where you have different culture and different accent, gave me the necessary confidence to understand them. Cambridge is a worldwide recognized university, so having this certification on my CV is very prestigious. But living in England, you can hear a different accent and different way of speaking, so basically the exam gave me the skills to improve my English. All right, thank you.
Cambridge courses and the Cambridge exams equip students with immediate English that they can use every day.
The exam helped me, obviously, because if I wanted to work in London, it helped me to learn the language, to prove that I could do the work as good as anyone else. Hi, thank you for coming. I did the Cambridge Advanced exam, then I enrolled for the proficiency exam. Expedia being in an international company with people from all around the world, I think it's a really good learning experience, both professionally and personally. Having a certificate in Advanced English and the certificate in proficiency helped me get this job at Expedia.
In our school, we're a big fan. We believe that any student who's here long term should look at doing at least a main suite Cambridge examination, such as Cambridge English First.
I chose the course because it's recognized in my country and I need this to prove if I want to get a job in my country.
They have that certificate for the rest of their lives. That gives them that extra motivation, it's extrinsic motivation. They've got an examination at the end of it.
It helped me to develop my professional career.
It's given me skills that I can use for my whole life.
Taking the exam gave me the self-confidence I need.
It's really easy to book a Cambridge exam course. Cambridge exams are not only paper-based, but they're also computer-based with many, many dates, and that has been so beneficial to students all over the world.
I strongly recommend Cambridge English exams.
I will definitely do another Cambridge exam in the future.
That feeling of accomplishment and achievement is really something to be proud of.